Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 17th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle. Well, the 3-star Sudoku, well, this one is a tough one, has 28 printed digits. We have here 3 puzzles left. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one, yes, you are interested in this one, the 4-star Sudoku, number 7, 4, 6, 5. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, 1 2, 3 3s, 4 4s. All right. 4 5s. Okay. 1 6, 3 4 7s. Okay. 3 8s. And 1 9. So the 4s, the 5s, and the 7s are in majority. Can I start with the 4? Well, yes. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between them in the column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. And I need a 4 there. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Let's go to the next number. The 5. 5 in this column. 5 in the second column. So the third column. The only place left for the 5 should be here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Well, let me go back to the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here, 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. Need a 4 there. Okay, next number. 7. 7. We have a pair, The 7 and the 5 in this, the 7 and the 5 in the last row, the 7 and the 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay. 7. 7. Need a 7 there. Need 7 there. Well. Cannot continue with the 7. Let me use another digit. We have here 296. 296. No. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, and 8. 2, 6, and 8. 2, 6, and 8. Here can it be 6, 2, and 8? Okay. Need a 3 here. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this column. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. See an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column 3 in, only place level 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. 8, 8. 8, 8. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing. Sorry, again. The 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 6, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this column. In this big square. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left. Should be the 2 then. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, need a 2 here. No 2 in it. 2, 2. Need 3 here. Well. Let me see. Let me see. Come on. Okay, we can continue now. So for the interruption. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 1 could be here. 1, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So the 5 is left. And 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 2. 2. Need a 8 here. 8 here or 8 there. Here should be the 6 and the 8. Complicated. Need the 8 here. 8. 1. Need a 1 here. 1. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. 1, 2 is missing. No. We have a 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. The other 3 in this big square are the numbers. 2 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2, 5, and a 7. 2, 5, 7. Well. Here, 2, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 3 here, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 6 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 2 here. These 2 should be reserved for the 6 and 8. Here should be the 8 here. No, 5. 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. The 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be here because we cannot place the 5 there. We have a 5 in this column. 5 should be here. Okay. So here 2 missing numbers here. 3, 6, 9. Here 2 and the 7 are missing. 7 and 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Okay. 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these. 3 bucks, so 1 box left for the 2. Should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there, so 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in the third row for number 8, then. Complicated. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, 2 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those. Yeah, it should be the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7. 167, 167. Okay. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. Okay. So 4 missing numbers here in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 9 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay. One of the missing number here should be the 2. And also the 6 is missing here. We only need to wait. 2, 9, and 6 are missing. Well, in this column we need a 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 2, 9, 2, 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left, I believe 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row above. For number the 1, the 2 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 3, 6, 9. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. Okay, these are 3 missing numbers. In this column, 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. Only place left with 4 should be here. So the 3 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left with the 7 should be here. Or there we see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 6, 7. We have a 7 in this column. 7 in the third column. So the column between. Only place left with 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. We have a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in the 9. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 in the 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the man. The 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Alright. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left, the 1 should be here. 2 and a 9 are left. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. The 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left, 9 should be there. So the 3 and the 6 are left. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only place left with the 6 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there, finish in 17 minutes. Wow. Well. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I will do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.